Okie dokie. Just gonna do a quick little review of my new Zippo. Ruger silver logo Zippo lighter. Made in USA. Genuine Zippo. Okie dokie. Let's unbox this real fast. Take this off camera. Stare at this book for one little second. It's my little journal. Cheap little leaf booklet. Anyway. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Oh, wow. Ruger. Nice matte black. With a nice little Ruger logo on it. Wow, this looks even better in person. I'm glad I got this. I'm not much of a smoker, but I will occasionally partake. But yeah, this is a short little video on my Ruger Zippo lighter. Well, thank you very much for watching. Like I said, this has been a short little video on my Ruger Zippo lighter. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever. In case I don't see you, good evening, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.